We're here today with Steve. We're on board his beautiful boat, Pleiades, which is a Bertram 50. And Steve's a vice-commodore of the Shag Islet Cruising Yacht Club. And GCCM and its business partners are very proud supporters of the Shag Islet Cruising Yacht Club and the great work they do to raise funds for prostate cancer research. And last year we were up at Cape Gloucester for the rendezvous in August 2024, and Steve and Tracy bid for the voucher that was put together by GCCM and the business partners for work on a vessel. And of course they had their beautiful vessel at the point in its life where it was needed a little bit of a touch up before they move off the boat back on land. So Steve, I'll get you to talk in a minute, but I just want to run through all of the business partners that have put this together, because it's quite a number. So as well as GCCM itself, we had Kraken, AME, Harbour Force, International Paint, Lux in Style, Classic Marine, Southern Seas Marine, Janaco, Rib Force, Wicked Fabrications, and Quarterdeck. So quite a cross-section of the business partners here at GCCM, which sort of gave you a bit of a blank canvas. But we pulled you up in February, I think it was, wasn't it?
We've been living on the boat for 2.5 years, and we thought a great opportunity when the auction was happening, because of the variety of services that were available that had donated their time and services to the good cause. And we took it upon ourselves to start bidding and won, yes, which was great. So never been here before, but it was very, very impressed, and everybody's been great. Can't sort of speak more highly of everybody that's been helping us on the boat. It's been great. It hasn't been one that sort of let us down out of all the people. It's been really, really, really great. And it's got the boat to a stage now where we can move on after 2 years of living on it, and now put it on the market.
You've spent 2 and a bit years on the boat. Tell us a little bit about your time on the boat.
We retired 3 years ago and decided that we'd leave Newcastle, 7 years travelling, and 2 years of that was going to be on a boat up in the Barrier Reef. The boat became available and away we went.
It sounds like what a lot of people plan to do in their retirement is buy a boat and cruise up the East Coast. So you guys can tick that box now. But look, just coming back to the businesses, a lot of professionals here that have now worked on the boat that have many, many years of experience and are dedicated in what they do. So just to wrap them up again, we've got Harbour Force, we've got Kraken, AME, International Paints, Lux in Style, Classic Marine, Southern Seas Marine, Janaco, Rib Force, Wicked Fabrications, and Quarterdeck, all based here at GCCM. Great guys to deal with.
They were.
And they've helped you get the boat back in shape now, ready to pass the boat, maybe to the next couple who want to do exactly what you've done.
It's the perfect liveaboard boat. Just
sounds like it is. Anyway, it's been great to have you guys on the shipyard over the last month or so, and we wish you all the best with the sail and the next journey in retirement.
Thank you.